You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, today is April the 4th, 2019. And you know what day it is? Today is going to be the by-election in Port Antonio, Portland. Well, I should say in East Portland, that is. You see me? So, we have the two reigning party, you know, PMP, JLP, but it has been over 30 years since JLP win this seat in East Portland. So we are going to find out what's the atmosphere like and all these things. So people, don't forget to leave a like on this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you are watching on Facebook, follow the page and react to it any way you want to react to it. So make we go see Wagwan. So I'm here with Superintendent Beresford Williams. So Mr. Williams, how is the by-election, the traffic congestion in Port Antonio? Because I see that you open up the pier so vehicles can come through.
So we have opened the pier specifically to prevent traffic congestion and to prepare ourselves for the inflow of ballot boxes later. So what we're doing is just basically setting the tone.
Okay, so I've noticed that there have been some vehicles with bearing marks of both parties. I don't want to put any parties under the bus. Is that illegal? Because at this point, should motorcades been operating in Port Antonio?
Well, right now, my focus is traffic management. Right. We want to just deal with getting traffic through as freely as possible. Some of those issues, because of that being our priority, we might have to ignore for now.
Okay. So another thing I observed, I observed that at the polling stations, they have been like distanced away from like the gathering. So like some of the party would be in X place, but it's not necessarily near the polling station. Is there a law pertaining to that?
So the gathering of persons in relation to the polling station must be at least 100 meters away from the polling station. So hence you see that distance. Okay,
and I have one last question for you. I noticed that there has been significant increase of the military persons in Port Antonio, both military and police. Is there a reason for that?
Well, this is an event that have attracted national interest, and so we have all the resources that the JCF can afford have been thrown into the area to ensure that people can go about their business lawfully and that the election would be free and fair.
All right, and there haven't been any unfortunate events for this?
No, just little minor incidents, but generally very good.
All right, thank you, sir, for having this discussion with me.
Man.
All right.
I give a tune for that.
Alright.
So my challenge is for bring. So brand new for me. Me no boy out the road can come style me Damion bring. So brand new for me. Come at the wickedest Africa that when they country me tell them bring. So brand new for me. Me no boy out the road can come style me Damion bring. So brand new for me. Come at the wickedest Africa that when the country. Member for seat car paper no gas. Boy violate Damion and I get gunshot. Remember the boss boy seat and still have to quiet. Between me and you what you are Damion done that me tell them bring something for me. Me no go art to rape and paper in there. Don't know here to
let the people know where you be.
Said we you know sir near to sell Portland I come from Portland. I'm not laugh because I used to live at the every day in the original PNP. I'm not laugh for the thing. When I say PNP everything there way up. Stigma turn up.
Alright.
Come on, friend. One man down. Yeah.
A moment.
Yeah, you don't know. Yeah. I do. Drivers. The whole away. Damion, I want 3 blocks. Take it off one by one. The first time, Damion I come at Tivoli. You know what we're getting for drink? Peace. can do anything. We are nowhere. Our part anywhere. And we're afraid of nothing. Tivoli! Tivoli! Easy scream. Dead and soul.
So people, there you have it. Everything is been running smooth. It has been a fair and free election here in East Portland. Up to 3 o'clock this evening, there has been a 40% voter turnout. So everything is been running smoothly. So stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to the Chaddy TV for further updates. You know, so we are going to update with you right through the process. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, just leave a like on the video or react to the video any way you want to react to the video. Don't forget to follow the Facebook page as well. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.